Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Breville 870 and let's go ahead and grind some coffee. So I'm using the double setting. And I'll tamp it. The grinder is currently on setting 1. So yeah, the shot's definitely getting good pressure, nice crema. As you can see, so, and I haven't seen the grinder slip yet, but the customer said it only slips once every 2 weeks. But yeah, get a nice shot of espresso. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. Thank you.